Welcome to the Hamilton floor plan. This beautiful two-story home includes 4 spacious bedrooms, all located on the second floor, 2 full bathrooms and 1 powder room, a formal dining room or optional study, a generous family room, and a large open-concept kitchen with a large pantry and a cozy breakfast nook, all that interact perfectly with the outdoor patio. The master suite of the Hamilton, located on the second floor, includes a private bathroom retreat with a separate shower, dual vanities, and a huge walk-in closet. This incredible new home also features a walk-in laundry room, plenty of extra storage, and a 2-car garage. And because Lennar is the only home builder in Nashville to offer everything's included homes, the Hamilton also includes all of the energy features, kitchen appliances, and luxury designer upgrades that you've come to expect from Lennar. For more information on this amazing new home, or for directions to any of our Premier Nashville communities, visit lennar.com.